YouTube, we back with another simple, easy tutorial. I'm not gonna say too much this time, but y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna make it real easy for you. Oh yeah, and shouts out to all my supporters and subscribers and my Patreon members. Let's do it, baby. So yeah, if you want to become a member on the Patreon where I have exclusive tutorials, exclusive DIYs, lessons, behind the scenes, all of that, become a member. Thank y'all for enjoying. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, we're doing a Friends Till the End custom. We're gonna do a blue pair today. Yes, sir.
Step 1, take your laces out. Remove those strings from the shoes. And here I'm using denaturated alcohol. I'm not using acetone because acetone is too harsh and is not always required. Denaturated alcohol will work the same, but it depends on your project. We're not applying too many coats to this, but it will work and get the job done the same exact way. And right here we have our transfer tape. This is what we will use to pull the stencils off of the paper. The vinyl stencils, that is. These are your Friends Till the End stencils. I got them from, just check the description. And now for this step, you just put your transfer paper on top of the vinyl and peel slowly. And when it comes to placing it on a shoe, you can do it like I'm doing, but I'm making it hard, honestly. You can use a heat gun and this vinyl will stick to this shoe way easier. But you can always use your own method. As long as you get the vinyl onto the shoe, you're good. But yeah, improvise. And this is what we have. See that vinyl? The stencils on there real good. Now let's get the paint. You can use any color you want, any paint you want. Make sure it's bond to leather. But yeah, I'm using the jacquard blue. You can use pink, red, purple, whatever. Spray light coats over the vinyl stencils. And then also you can get creative with this. You really can do it any kind of way you want. You can go light, heavy, different colors, different designs, different strokes. But also remember that you should take your time.
Hey, you should become a patron and choose your tier wisely. Are you feeling generous or do you want early access to content? But wait, the GOAT tier comes with exclusive content, tutorials, lessons, unreleased videos that only you have access to. Now select your tier wisely and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.
And you can use any method when it comes to splattering paint, but I like using the toothbrush. So, you know, real simple, real easy, just a flick, 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 flick. And now carefully remove your stencils. See? Peel them off, and there we go. Lace your shoes up, but now are you ready for this final product? Dun, 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 dun. And here we have blue Friends Till the End pair. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for enjoying it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you hated this video, thank you for enjoying it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. RichyCustom.com. Hey, thanks for watching.